Rare earth materials are a group of 17 elements that are critical to many modern technologies, including smartphones, electric vehicles, wind turbines, and defense systems. These elements have unique properties that make them essential components in advanced manufacturing and green energy solutions. The world we live in today has been revolutionized by technology, and at the heart of it all lie rare earth materials. These are not your ordinary elements, they are the unsung heroes of the tech world, powering our devices and driving innovation. But what exactly are these rare earth materials? They're a group of 17 elements found on the periodic table. They might not sound like much, but without them, our modern world would be drastically different. These elements are essential for a variety of applications. Their unique properties allow them to power our smartphones, making it possible for us to stay connected with the world at the touch of a button. They're the magic behind the vibrant colors on our TV screens and the lifeline of our electric vehicles. In the realm of green energy, rare earth materials are indispensable. They are the powerhouses behind wind turbines, transforming wind into a sustainable source of energy. Without them, our pursuit of cleaner, renewable energy would face an uphill battle. And it's not just in civilian applications where these elements shine. They are critical to our defense systems, enabling advanced communication, targeting, and detection capabilities. However, the supply of these materials is limited and the process of extracting them is complex and environmentally challenging. This has led to a global race for securing these resources, and a push for developing more sustainable and efficient extraction methods. Recycling is also playing an increasingly important role in securing our supply of rare earth materials. By reusing these precious elements, we not only reduce waste, but also lessen our dependence on new extraction. Innovation is another key in the quest for sustainable rare earth materials. Scientists and engineers are working tirelessly to develop new technologies and materials that can replace or reduce our reliance on these elements. In conclusion, rare earth materials may not be well known, but their impact on our lives is enormous. They are at the heart of our technological revolution, powering everything from our smartphones to electric vehicles, wind turbines, and defense systems. Securing a sustainable supply of these materials is one of the biggest challenges of our time. It requires a global effort, combining recycling, innovation, and responsible extraction methods. So next time you use your smartphone or drive an electric vehicle, remember the magic of rare earth materials. They're not just elements on a periodic table, they're the driving force behind our modern world.